AI is changing how we write a code. But what if I tell you not all the AI generated codes are safe for you? Some of it is outdated, buggy, or even connects to a database that doesn't exist anymore. Yes, AI is smart, but sometimes it confidently gets wrong. And that's where CodeSpy.ai steps in. Whether you are a solo developer using a GitHub Copilot, a small tech agency building a client project, or a manager who oversees the multiple developers. In all these cases, AI code assistance is an amazing booster for your productivity. A major study of NYU Standen School of Engineering found that the AI generated codes often include the outdated syntax, the memory based bugs, and sometimes it's called an unknown system which doesn't even exist. So how do we solve or even catch this issue before they become an expensive client revisions and also a production bug? That's exactly a problem solved by my friend CodeSpy.ai. Meet CodeSpy.ai, a brand new tool built for coders, developers, educators, and a tech professionals who want to stay in a control when using an AI generated code. So it's not just any other AI tools. So it's your AI code detective. It scans your code and tells you exactly which part were written by an AI model. And it supports multiple programming languages like C Hash, Java, Python, JavaScript, PHP, Rust, and many more. And the best part, it doesn't rewrite or auto fix your code. It simply tells you which part are AI generated so that you can stay in the control. So let's jump to a quick demo and I'll show you how the CodeSpy works. So just open your Google Chrome and type here CodeSpy. Okay, and there you can find this first link, AI code detector. Just click on here and just log into your account. After login, you will find this page and you will see there is a lots of things like dashboard, reports, and projects. Just click on dashboard and just go to a new AI scan. Okay, after that just paste your code here. I have got a code of a Java which I don't know that it's written by an AI or a human code, so I'll find out that. Okay, so I have this code. I just copy this whole code and paste it here right away. So you can see my whole code is pasted here, and I just go and select the language. My primary language is Java, so I just Java here. Okay, you can select by Python, and there are lots of many languages allotted. So I just click here analyze, and in just a few seconds you will find the place where the code is generated by AI or not. And you just go here, and if you click on here, you will find that this code is appeared by AI generated. Our analyze suggests that 98% chances are there that content you enter is AI algorithm,
And
right?
you can also see that the code spy is identifying the code which is generated by AI and also identify that which code you have to refactor that is written wrongly and incorrectly by an AI. And the code which is colored by black is not affected by AI or not generated by AI.
And I have one more code which I can test here also. Let me just show you. So this is another piece of code which I found, and I don't know even that it is a AI generated or a human, right? So let me check again. I just copy this whole code and I just go back to my CodeSpy dashboard, and I just get a new AI scan, and after that I paste this whole code and select my language, but currently my language is Java, and I just enter analyze here, and let's see. So here is a lex partially AI score, right? Correct. So let me view what is the happening here, and it shows around 34 by 100% of AI score, which is minimum less AI score generated by my previous code. So I can assure that this is not an AI generated code or a partially AI generated code. So why this tool is a game changer? Let's break it down for a different users. If you are a small tech consulting agencies, you probably using Copilot or ChatGPT for speeding up things or productivity. But before you sending the code to the client, CodeSpy will help you to spot the potential areas instantly. So less buggy code equals to fewer revision equals to a happy client and faster delivery. So teachers and educators can also use CodeSpy, whether their students are just genuinely writing the code or even just copying from AI. So super handy tool for grading the projects and assure the originality of the code. Medium-sized software companies can also use CodeSpy for their accountability. Instead of hiring a huge number of people for overseeing the multiple number of developers, they can use CodeSpy for ensuring the code quality and the usage of AI in their company. That will save a lot of money. So if you are working in a big tech company, CodeSpy will also help you to stay in a complement and avoid legal headaches. So if you are serious coding smarter, not riskier, so CodeSpy is the best tool for you. So trust me, when you start using it, you will wonder how I quality analyze my whole code by my own. So go and check out the CodeSpy.ai. You can find the link into my description, and also it comes a variety of packages according to your usage. You can choose it. So I hope this video is useful for you. If it is, Just hit a like button, share with your friends, and also hit a bell icon for getting notification of my daily new videos. So this is Visham Solanki helping you to grow better with AI, but this time to detect it. Thank you. We'll see you next video. Until keep coding, keep smiling. Bye.